Oh my God, y'all, look at this ship.
Look how big that thing
Oh
is.
my goodness.
How many blocks you think it is?
Shoot, 6, 7.
Norwegian Joy?
Yeah.
I never heard of that one.
Wank, 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 wank. Oh! To the butt bohemians. Oh. Hey, busy bees. Hey, guys. Nothing.
Oh, when I bent over, he's so immature.
Ugh. Look how organized it look. Okay, do they have to be in attendance? Oh, she got an essential shirt. Period. I didn't know.
Spaghetti?
No.
I'm a little offended.
No. No. Because if you make spaghetti, that's going to be dinner for 5 nights. Yeah, make me some breakfast tomorrow while you guys are slaving.
Hell no.
That's why you bent over 90 degrees.
What is the appropriate age for that? Because she done got her feet wet just a little bit. But she ain't just dived in yet. She ain't went swimming.
What you trying to say?
She's sitting on the edge of the pool, kicking her feet in the water.